If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Convert to Black and White tool lets you manually adjust the details of converting a color image to black and white. You can select from several preset styles or use sliders to manually adjust the red, green, and blue color channels and the overall contrast. To do this, select Enhance, Convert to Black and White from the menu bar to open the Convert to Black and White dialog box. The before and after preview images at the top of the dialog box let you preview the changes that you make here. You can select a black and white preset style by clicking one shown in the Select a Style list in the lower left corner. Doing this then changes the values of the sliders shown in the Adjust Intensity section to the right. To manually adjust the black and white effect, use the red, green, blue, and contrast sliders in the Adjust Intensity section to specify your own black and white conversion settings. You can reset the selected style after making adjustments by clicking the Reset button. You can also use the Undo and Redo button shown here to undo or redo your changes to the settings. After you have the desired black and white effect produced, click the OK button to apply it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.